You will see on the left-hand side that you have math. And this is, oh, sorry guys, my fourth grade team. We have Miss Klein, Mrs. Crosby, by Mr. May we have Mrs. Woodcock. Way over there we have Mrs. Kimball, and last but not least, Mrs. Perry. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so if you look at the left, you see the math. We're gonna kind of focus a little bit more on the right at first. The very first page you see is notes. That's for you. Write on anything that you need to keep a note of. That's for you to keep. I'm gonna try and get situated. Sorry, guys. Mr. Fink. Okay, so we're gonna do it this way. Okay, so that first paper you see, you have notes. The next one that's in there is an example of what the reading FSA test is gonna look like. Because for fourth grade, the kiddos have not had an opportunity to see what this looks like or what this is gonna feel like yet. Fifth grade had that opportunity in third. The next page that we have, I'm gonna focus a little bit more on the writing, and Miss Bates from fifth is gonna talk about the reading. But the next page we have are some linking words and phrases. This is what we've been working on with kiddos to teach them how to construct sentences to formulate their paragraphs, which then turn into their essays. And fourth grade and fifth grade, this will be the first year that they actually test the FSA writing. They would have done that last year in fifth, but obviously COVID happened. So they're going to have that for the first time, both grades this year. We also put in, fifth grade you have grade specific, fourth grade you have a sheet that's grade specific. These are some really good vocabulary words. Some fourth grade words that you can go over with your kiddos, talk to them about them, teach them a little bit about what they mean, how they can use them, have them give you an example of how they could use them. So the other paper that we have in here is another linking words and phrases. This one's for opinion. The purple one's for informative. When they take the FSA, they're gonna, in fourth grade, generally have either informative or opinion, and that's what we really focus on when we're teaching them how to write, what the writing process is. We have some awesome questions that you can ask your kiddos when you are reading with them at night. So for fourth grade, you guys read 20 minutes a night. Earn some awesome dojo points for that. If you are reading a fiction or a nonfiction, you can ask your kiddos some questions that can build in comprehension. This will help them when they get to that FSA, understand what the question is asking them. Okay, on to the writing a little bit. First, I wanted to show you what the rubric would look like. So it's this white paper that goes in landscape orientation instead of portrait. This is the rubric that they use to score the FSA writing. We use this score as we go through and we grade as well, so that way we can help teach the kids the process and the correct things that they're looking for. So, some really, really good practice that we gave for the kids is deconstructing the essay is what this is called. We've gone through this year and we're looking at how to construct an essay, but this gives them an opportunity to take it apart. If you look on that second page, it shows at the top the writing prompt in the box, and then it gives them the essay itself. They have the opportunity then to work backwards and pull out the controlling idea, the main idea, their conclusion, any evidence they find, and they identify elaboration. This helps build up the elaboration especially, which can be very difficult for kiddos. So the front then gives them an opportunity to answer some of the questions that relates to that essay that they have deconstructed. So it's another opportunity for them to work backwards a little bit in writing their essay and understanding the different parts that go together. And the last part, the pink packet, it has a writing prompt on the front. This is what an FSA writing prompt looks like. You can find this at EESassessments.org. And that's where this is pulled from, as well as the reading and math. But this writing prompt is what they're gonna see. And then as you flip through, it gives all of the sources. So if you want to give your kiddos an opportunity to practice writing at home, this would be a really good opportunity for them also. So you can kind of work backwards with them. If you use this, maybe get stuff on evidence or elaboration, this would be a great resource to use to help them write according to this writing prompt. Does anybody have any questions so far? No? Okay. I'm gonna let Mrs. Bates take over.